Hey guys, welcome. I am Chapman from GadgetStripe.com, and this is a short video on Infinix or S3X, the different and a slightly better version of the Infinix or S3. But before we get to that, I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is the first time you join me, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button so you don't miss any of my next updates. So, starting with the design and the display, easily we can say that Infinix adopted the notch display from Apple's iPhone X, which was released last year. The S3X is the first device from Infinix to have the notch display, and it has a 6.2-inch IPS full view display. It has a 32GB internal storage and also a 3GB RAM, just like the Infinix S3 and support SD card also. The S3X has a 13MP and 2MP dual rear cameras and also a 60MP front-facing camera, which has the AI capabilities and also good for taking pictures in light conditions. This device runs on a Snapdragon octa-core processor, which is clocked at 1.4 GHz and also has the Adreno 505 GPU. You can unlock this device with the Face ID feature and the fingerprint sensor. This device is powered by a 4000 mAh battery, which Infinix claims that it lasts for 2 days. The S3X comes in grey, black and blue color. The price of this device is not yet known at the moment of recording this video, but the price will be dropped in the comment section when reviewed. Let me know what you guys think about this device in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon.